What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to add a second account on Instagram so that you don't have to keep logging in and logging out and having to retype your username and password if you have two accounts or multiple accounts and you switch between them a lot. This is super simple. You just hit the three lines in the upper right hand corner, and then you're going to hit settings, and if you scroll down you should see an option to add an account. It's like the second one from the bottom. And then from there, you could just create a new account if you want to do that, or log into an existing account you have already. If you are confused or have any questions about this tutorial, be sure to comment down below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe and read the description down below, because there's very important information down there. Thanks for watching.